be honest, iPhone 16e didn't get much attention despite being the cheapest current-gen phone, and now with 17e coming, we can't think how another one from the same type would be any better. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. No matter how you spin it, the iPhone 16e is an oddball. Sure, it has a blazing fast A18 chip and 8GB of RAM, yet it comes with a single 48-megapixel camera and the same 60Hz display as iPhone 14. It's powerful on the inside, outdated on the outside, and priced to confuse. Launched in February 2025 at $599, the 16e is a good mid-range phone and a big jump from the beloved iPhone SE, which started at $429 and earned its reputation as Apple's true budget hero. Still, the 16e serves as the cheapest entry into iOS and Apple Intelligence, which keeps it relevant. Now rumors say an iPhone 17e could arrive as early as February 2026, giving Apple a chance to refresh its most awkward handset. But does it really need one? Performance-wise, the 16e is already overqualified. Its internals match with iPhone 16, meaning it can easily handle iOS 26, gaming, multitasking, and Apple Intelligence for years. Upgrades are likely limited to cosmetic tweaks like thinner bezels, dynamic island, or a better selfie camera, which is nice, but hardly game-changing. Pricing is the one which is complicating things further. With component costs rising and AI pushing up hardware demands, it's a given that a newer model will arrive at an even higher price. Meanwhile, the 16e is likely to stay locked at $599, making it the safer buy. And the bigger issue? Hype, or lack of it. The iPhone 16e arrived to confusion, not excitement. And it's hard to see if the launch of iPhone 17e will make people think that 16e was better after all. Apple is upgrading the iPhone budget range, which may not need any fixing at all. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. The iPhone 15 has made waves since its release, boasting numerous upgrades and innovations. While many of its features are well publicized, there are several hidden gems that enhance the user experience in unexpected ways. Here are the top 10 iPhone 15 hidden features that you probably didn't know about. The back tap gesture. The back tap feature, introduced in iOS 14, has been refined in the iPhone 15. You can customize double or triple taps on the back of your iPhone to perform various actions, like taking a screenshot, opening the camera, or launching an app. To set it up, go to Settings, click on Accessibility, and go to Touch. Now click on Back Tap and configure your desired actions. The hidden trackpad and keyboard. Editing text on a smartphone can be a hassle, but the iPhone 15 makes it easier with its hidden trackpad feature. Simply press and hold the spacebar on the keyboard and the keys will disappear, turning the entire keyboard area into a trackpad. This allows you to move the cursor with precision, making text editing much smoother. Enhanced privacy reports. Privacy's always been a priority for Apple, and the iPhone 15 takes it a step further with detailed privacy reports. These reports show which apps are tracking your activity and how often they access your data. To view these reports, navigate to Settings, click on Privacy, then go to App Privacy Report and get a comprehensive look at how your data is being used. Quick Note feature. Quick Note is a powerful feature that lets you capture notes from any app or screen without switching apps. Simply swipe up from the bottom right corner on models without a home button, or use the Control Center to access Quick Note. This feature is perfect for jotting down ideas, links, or reminders on the fly. Live text in photos. Live text is a game changer for productivity. The iPhone 15 can recognize text in your photos, allowing you to copy, paste, look up, or translate text directly from an image. Open a photo with text, tap on the text, and you'll see options to interact with. This is incredibly useful for saving contact information, addresses, or any text from an image. Focus modes. Focus modes are an extension of Do Not Disturb, allowing you to create custom modes for different activities like work, personal time, or sleep. Each mode can have its own settings for notifications, app access, and home screen layouts. Set up focus modes by going to Settings and clicking on Focus, and then tailoring them to suit your lifestyle. FaceTime voice isolation. FaceTime on the iPhone 15 comes with a voice isolation feature that uses machine learning to block out background noise and enhance your voice during calls. This is particularly useful in noisy environments. To enable it during a call, open Control Center, tap tap on the microphone mode and select voice isolation. Battery health management. The iPhone 15 includes advanced battery health management features to prolong the lifespan of your battery. It learns your charging routine and delays charging past 80% until you need it, which helps reduce battery aging. Check your battery health and set up optimized charging in Settings, clicking on Battery, and then clicking on Battery Health. Visual Lookup. Visual Lookup enhances your photo experience by providing information about objects, landmarks, plants, and animals in your pictures. Open a photo, swipe up or tap the information button, and Visual Lookup will identify and provide details about the subjects in your image. One-handed mode. Despite its larger screen, the iPhone 15 is easy to use with one hand thanks to the one-handed mode. Activated by swiping down on the bottom edge of the screen, and the top half of the display will shift down, making it easier to reach elements at the top. Apple tries to make the iPhone as simple and intuitive to use as possible and largely succeeds, but that doesn't mean there aren't some more advanced features available. If you're prepared to do a little digging, we'll help you with your digging with a few iPhone keyboard tricks you might not know. You no doubt spend a lot of time tapping away on it, so make sure you're aware of everything it's able to do for you. Slide to type. Some people find it easier to slide across letters as they spell them out rather than tapping on each letter. This is enabled by default on the iOS keyboard, so try it to see if you like it. Just slide your finger across to the letters you want, briefly pausing at each one. If the feature has been turned off somehow, go to General and Keyboard in iOS settings and turn on Slide to Type. The Delete Slide to Type by Word toggle switch determines whether pausing on the delete key erases the last character or the whole of the last word. Replace text. If you've got a host of phrases that you turn to again and again in your typing, you can set up text replacements for them. You could use the code MYAD to insert your full address, for example. To set these handy shortcuts up, open iOS settings, then pick General, go to Keyboard, and select Text Replacement. Trackpad mode. Did you know your iPhone keyboard has a hidden trackpad mode you can make use of? It's particularly helpful when you're trying to select something precisely or when you need to edit text and you've got to get to the cursor in exactly the right spot. Tap and hold on Space on the iPhone keyboard until the keys go blank. Then move your finger to work the trackpad. It's not available at all times though, only when the keyboard's active. Go one-handed. There will be times when you only have one free hand to type on your phone, and the iPhone keyboard has you covered here. Tap and hold in the bottom left corner of the keyboard, which will either be an emoji or a globe, depending on how it's configured, to get a pop-up menu. There you'll see two icons for pushing the whole keyboard towards the left or right of the screen. Repeat the process to go back to the normal keyboard layout. Tap and hold. You can unlock a whole host of special characters and variations by pressing and holding on keys on the iOS keyboard. You can also tap the 1, 2, 3 button to see more options, of course. For example, press and hold on a text character to see variations with accents added, or press and hold on the $ to see other currencies, or press and hold on the period to see an ellipsis. Here's another tip. Double tap the Shift key to keep it enabled. Switch to dictation. You can speak out what you want to say rather than typing it if you want to change, or if you speak faster than you type. The feature can be turned on and off under General and Keyboard in iOS settings via the Enable Dictation toggle switch. As long as it's enabled, you can tap the microphone button on the keyboard to switch between dictation and typing. You can even speak out punctuation and even emojis as you go. Make iPhone keyboard bigger. The size of the iPhone keyboard is tied to the text size of iOS as a whole, and you can adjust this by opening Display and Brightness from Settings, then choosing Text Size. You can also turn on bold text if you want. It's also possible to switch to uppercase rather than lowercase for the iPhone keyboard. Go to Settings, tap on Accessibility and Keyboards, and disable Show Lowercase Keys. The Shift key will still work as normal, however. Configure the keyboard. Open iOS settings, then go to General and the keyboard screen, and you'll see plenty of useful ways you're able to customize the iPhone keyboard to suit your own needs and preferences. Autocorrect and spell check can be turned on or off as required. For example, as can automatic capitalization, so there's always a capital letter after a space, and the smart punctuation feature, so curly quotes rather than straight quotes, for instance.